Helo a chroeso I Uned 22, y cwrs SYLFAEN. And in this unit, we build on what you've previously done with the conditional tense, baswn I, basa fe, and we say how we should be doing things. So, dylwn I, yeah, I should. Felly, tudalen 2-5, yeah, 2-5 yn y cwrs. And just have a look at the drill there. Dylwn I smwddio. Smwddio to iron. So dylwn I smwddio, I should iron, or I should do the ironing. Dylwn I hwfro, I should do the hoovering. So we'll just practice those to start with. Felly, ail adroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Dylwn I smwddio. Dylwn I hwfro. Dylwn I olchi'r car. Dylwn I dorri'r lawnt. In the next block, we use the word beth, the question, or what, beth, and attach that to the lety. So you should. So beth ddyleti wneud, what should you do? Or beth ddyleti wneud heno, what should you do tonight? So again, the translations are there. So we'll just go through that drill. Felly, ail adroddwch eto, os gwelwch yn dda. Beth ddyleti wneud heno? Beth ddyleti wneud yfory? Beth ddyleti wneud dros y penwythnos? Beth ddyleti wneud yr wythnos nesaf? Now we come to chi later on, but we'll do that now anyway, just for practice purposes. So we change the dyleti to the lechi, and it just makes the formal singular. Felly, ail adroddwch eto. Beth ddylech chi wneud heno? Beth ddylech chi wneud yfory? Beth ddylech chi wneud dros y penwythnos? Beth ddylech chi wneud yr wythnos nesaf? Now, os trowch y tudalen, ar y tudalen nesaf, 2-6, we're introduced to how we use this in the third person. So with him or her, or a name, a named person. So dylai, dylai Sam gloi'r drws, Sam should lock the door, dylai. Although that is pronounced, you'll hear that pronounced dyle quite often. So dyle Sam gloi'r drws. Again, the translations are there, so please ail adroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Dyle Sam gloi'r drws. Dyle Sam olchi'r llestri. Dyle Sam olchi'r car. Dyle Sam gerdded i'r ysgol. Dyle Sian gloi'r drws. Dyle Sian olchi'r llestri. Dyle Sian olchi'r car. Dyle Sian gerdded i'r ysgol. Now this can be used with the pronouns fe and he, as noted there, so we'll just run through those again, using the pronouns instead. Dyle fe gloi'r drws. Dyle fe olchi'r llestri. Dyle fe olchi'r car. Dyle fe gerdded i'r ysgol. Dyle hi gloi'r drws. Dyle hi olchi'r llestri. Dyle hi olchi'r car. Dyle hi gerdded i'r ysgol. And if you look at the final one in that block, plant, the children. So, dyle'r plant gerdded i'r ysgol. Dyle'r plant gloi'r drws. Dyle'r plant olchi'r llestri. So use it in exactly the same way. Underneath then, we're introduced to the ni and the nu forms, us and them. So simple, we just go through the ones in the block there. So ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Dylen ni helpu. Dylen ni adael. Dylen nhw adael. Dylen nhw aros. And we looked at it earlier, but this is the chi version. Dylech chi. Dylech chi. So, os ydych chi eisiau gwella eich Cymraeg chi, dylech chi, you should. We'll just go through those there now. Ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Dylech chi wylio mwy o S4C. Dylech chi wrando mwy ar Radio Cymru. Dylech chi wylio llai o ffilmiau. A dylech chi wrando llai ar Radio 1. We now move on to the negative. The negative. Tudalen 2-8. And if you remember when you did the past tense, there's the initial mutation and the ddim. And dylwn follow the same pattern. So dylwn ni mynd mas, dylwn ni ddim. Dylwn ni wario gormod, dylwn ni wario gormod dros y Sul. Dylwn ni ddim gwario. So it's the initial mutation and then the ddim. So ar tudalen 2-8, and we'll just go through that block there. Ddylwn ni ddim mynd mas heno. Ddylwn ni ddim gwario gormod dros y Sul. Ddylwn ni ddim mynd i'r dafarn yr wythnos nesaf. Ddylwn ni ddim gweithio ar wyliau. And the same thing then goes with the other pronouns. So, dylech chi ddim. Dyle fe ddim. So if, as always, if you look at the help llaw ar tudalen 2-3-5, you'll see a list of the verb there. And also cofiwch, remember the videos and the work online. A felly dyna fe am Uned 22. So enjoywch Uned 23. Pob hwyl am y tro. Bye bye.